Okay, time to test out the PE500. So we'll drop a bobbin in, pull it out and around the tail cutter here and put our bobbin case cover in place. Drop the embroidery hoop in. Follow this. Follow the path for threading. That was the bobbin winding path. So threading goes up 3. Oh. You gotta rotate this. Oh, the pickup arm doesn't stick out. You just have to loop around. Six, 7, 8, and then all right, let's power the machine on. Okay. All right. Oh, lower the presser foot lever. Okay. Okay, now we got the needle is in the up position. Oh, come on. Oh, the automatic threader is not doing its job, so we'll just all right. Automatic threader is not catching. The square end, the thread goes right through like it should. Now, let's just get a letter here.